what is domain. So domain is nothing but is a name of your online business or address of your online business. In simple, again I am repeating, domain is nothing but it is a name of your online business, or you can say it is address of your online business. So domain examples are amazon.in. If you will type this amazon.in in your browser, you will go to amazon.in, that is India's Amazon website. If you will type amazon.com, you will go to Amazon's website, but it will be global Amazon website. Similarly, flipkart.com, it is one more business. Okay, so it is nothing, domain is nothing, I am repeating, domain is just name of your online business. So Amazon is one online business, Flipkart is online business, Bing Commerce is our company, bingcommerce.com is also our company. So domain is nothing but it is just name of your business. So whatever business you want to start, you can name your business on the basis of their domain. For example, if you want to create one business on your name, so for example your name is John, so you can take one domain that is related to John, you can buy John domain. Or for example, your surname is John McLarian, okay, your surname is McLarian, so you can buy one domain with johnmclarian.com, or you can also buy johnmclarian.in. So it's totally up to you. So domain is nothing, it is just the name of your online business, or you can say it is address of your online business. So when someone will type this domain name in their web browser, they will go to your website. Okay, so this is the address of your online business. Live example, for example, as you all know, bingcommerce.in is my domain. You can see bingcommerce.in is name of my business. So if someone will type bingcommerce.in, so it is also address of my website. So whenever I want someone to come to my website, he needs to type this bingcommerce.in to come to my website. If I will click on enter, you can see you will going to come to my website. So domain name is also name of your business, plus it is address of your business. So according to your requirements, according to your business, according to your own opinion, you can acquire domain name whatever you want, so that whenever someone will search or type the domain name of your business, they can come to your website. So simple. So hope you guys have somehow understood the idea what is domain.